Who controls the budget? The budget is a function of the executive, and indeed the president is the Minister of Finance. The real Minister of Finance is the president, though he delegates to my brother now, Henry, the Honorable Musasi's. So, but much as this budget is for the president and executive, it is you who appropriates. And your biggest obligation, national obligation, is appropriation of the budget, because that is the national cake. Everybody is talking about national cake. National cake is the budget. What resources go to what area and for what? So that power of the purse, which is under Article 155, is a joint one between the executive and parliament. So they come to different sectoral committees with figures, and you're supposed to make an input. A parliamentary committee that does not make an input in a budget is a useless committee. How? Because you are talking about your people, what resources are going to your people. So that is a shared responsibility between the executive and parliament. And when parliament brings what we call the sectoral allocations with either the budget framework, it goes to your different committees. You make a report. Those reports now go to the budget committee for harmonization. That they have already picked your ideas. And those ideas are now harmonized within the budget committee. So this is also a shared responsibility for which, as I said, working differently, separately, but together as arms of government. I think leave slide 4, go to oversight. Oversight is the other very, very important function, constitutional duty of parliament. I'm going to talk about what I think I have been parted to. One time I was chairperson of COSASE. Actually, I've chaired more committees of parliament than any other person in the history of this parliament. From Legiko, no person has ever chaired more committees than me. Standing, accountability, ad hoc, I've chaired all of them. One time I was chairperson of COSASE. Those of you who are very active in public affairs, you must have followed. Investigating Bank of Uganda was not easy, because at that time it had a very robust governor. It's not a person you would call and he would even come. But because he knew the sort of committee was dealing with, he used to come for 1.5 months. The late Mutebile would come every day from 9 to 5. All these TV stations in the country switched off and they only following live for 1.5 months. But to take that decision, some members of cabinet were not happy. They actually went to the president and complained that we are undressing Bank of Uganda. It's going to cause a big problem with the economy. I like to thank the president at that time, because he called me and said, "What is this you people are doing?" So I explained that this is what we are doing and so on. He said, "But can't you maybe do it in-house?" I said, "It's not possible, because the banks closed were people's banks, and these people are not accounting." I remember telling the president that if Bank of Uganda was a commercial bank, then Bank of Uganda would have closed it. Because what Bank of Uganda at that time was doing was so unethical. You close banks, you don't account to anybody. So Parliament is going to have those responsibilities where you must do your job as oversight. Sometimes you're going to get a little bit of resistance from this other side. But if you are doing it in good faith, and I want to emphasize, in good faith, there would be no problem. You can stand strong. You can explain to anybody that we are doing this in good faith. That is why, even after we had issued our report, there was an uproar and people cooperated, and others even went to court. And the court dismissed all the cases because we did everything professionally. Other people wanted to do things, to take advantage, and you do things as against the law, as against the rules. And we say, no, we have to do things professionally. So that is what you have to do. Do professionally, do things in good faith. I am telling you, can explain to anybody, including the president, you will have no problem. Unless he has changed his mind these days, then he would have no problem.